guys, this is the Tenerife volcano. Guys, what's up anyways? I'm in Aldea, Gran Canaria. I just visited, I was just driving around because I live in Gran Canaria, but there's like lots of stuff to do, and I just found a place to charge my car, and I'm going to do it right now. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. This is Aldea, Gran Canaria. It's probably for free, but I'm not sure yet. I'm going to install the app right now. And we will see. I mean, I just already installed it. And it's called Movilidad Eléctrica Gran Canaria. And it's a beautiful place. So I wanna plug the car. I want to just plug the car right now. If it's for free or not, I don't care, we will see. And I'm going to plug the car and go for a swim. I'm going to show you a little bit how it looks. The La Aldea, it's a little town on the west coast, pretty remote. It's not so many people here, which is great. The temperatures here in almost October are still great. So I see you guys soon. But first we're gonna try to charge the car. Okay, so balance added on the app. I must say, yeah, the app is really straightforward, but we will see. We will see, guys. So as soon as I'm going to plug in, I'm gonna be happy, and then I'm gonna come back later after 1 hour and see what happened. Oh, by the way, the speed or the power is 22 kilowatts. So you can read that here. And but it's cheaper than it's in Palomas in Holiday World. It's cheaper. Actually 100% cheaper, which is great. Okay, so the cables are charged, and then I need to press start button somewhere. If there is not. I don't see any start button, man. Yeah, maybe here. Maybe on the app. Okay, so it looks like it's charging. That's great. The app is a little meh. So the app is little meh. You can tell it already that it's like the app made by the government or something, because no hate for the people working there, but private companies do it that way better in my opinion, but it's already also more expensive. But we will see. The price is actually not that cheap, but we will see in the end, because I cannot say that right now. We will see. Anyways, it's charging, and I'm going to go for a little walk and record something here, maybe swim, and maybe some nice views. And I don't know if you can see that now, but I don't know if you can see the Tenerife volcano. Can you see it? Can you spot the Tenerife volcano there? Maybe I'm gonna record a little bit more soon. So yeah. Anyways, excited, charging, and now for a walk. So guys, this is the Tenerife volcano that I was mentioning. I just needed to switch the lens, and it's pretty damn far, like 100 kilometers from here or something. It would be like 100 kilometers from here or something like that. So yeah, but there it is, man. So far away, and it's pretty damn nice view. Some nice mountains. This volcano is 3,700 meters. Oh my god, I love traveling. I love new places. El Charco. El Charco. Fresco. Pescado. Bar cafeteria. It's nice here. It's really nice. This place is so nice, man. El Águila Pescadora, Pandion Haliaetus. This is it, Gran Canaria. Spring, sorry, autumn. Because it is actually almost October. I'm almost getting married. I'm almost getting married. 3 weeks to go, and yeah, walking here alone because everybody needs a little bit break in nature. This is what I firmly believe. We all need nature, more nature. We all need that. I hope you get enough. Now I found a little path here. Hope nobody, no animals, wild animals will I encounter here, but we'll see. gorgeous little town. Looks amazing. We are the biosphere. We are the Gran Canaria. Nice. Nice. Vivienda vacaciones means holiday house. Very beautiful view.